Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve avatar on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve avatar on Facebook, you should just go to your settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Facebook app, and you can click here in this list as you see, and you will enter. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop, and you can click OK. Then you will enter through the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Facebook and you will enter. Then you'll find here Facebook. If you'll find in this blue sign update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.